And welcome back to a brand new video. So today we're in a place called Cockington and it's absolutely steeped in fantastic views, old thatched cottages, and like I said, the views are absolutely outstanding, amazing. So yeah, come and join me on this fantastic video. And right behind me you can see it's an absolute stunning view. So yeah, let's get right into the video and let's get going. Come on. And just look at that magnificent view. So this is an old thatched cottage. You can see the thatched roofs, and just look at the surrounding. It is really breathtaking. And just look at that huge, great wheel. That would have been spinning back in its day, and what an amazing sight. So I was going to have a bit of a walk down here because this is Cockington Mill ice cream parlour. So this is where they actually make the ice cream, and absolutely stunning. So if you've never been to Cockington, it's certainly worth the visit. It's like I say, it's steeped in history and the amazing thatched roofs on the little cottages. I mean, just look at that one. Look how small that little door is. It's truly amazing. So I'm not too sure what this contraption is. So if you do know, let me know in the comments what an unusual thing. So like I said, I ain't got a clue what this one's for. And just look at this stunning house. I just spoke to the lady who owns this one, and it is actually going onto the market. So he's not confirmed the price. I didn't ask her that, but it is going onto the market. So if you are in the game for buying, what a fantastic setting. So yeah, it's just so peaceful, and yeah, you see the just magnificent the thatched roofs, and it's just cottage after cottage like this. So we're just going to have a little walk down this road because, again, another fantastic cottage. And just look at this one tucked away. It's it really is incredible. And people, like I said, leaving these. There's some of them are holiday vacations where you can rent them out. But also people live in these, and again, absolutely magnificent. And there's all country lanes full of these wonderful old style cottages. So this one is the Cockington Gallery. You see all the wonderful little pieces in the window. Absolutely stunning. So we're going to have a bit of a look around the grounds. So again, absolutely really nice, well maintained, and what a setting. And it's ever so quiet. You see the odd car coming up, but yeah, an amazing experience. And how amazing is that? You see each one of these little tiny like cottages got their own chimneys, all made in that fantastic like sandstone. Truly incredible. So I hope you're enjoying this video so far. Like I say, it's just a small proportion of Cockington, and not only have you got these fantastic thatched cottages with all the magnificent history alongside them. You know, these are hundreds and hundreds of years old. But also, you know, around here we've got the fantastic walks and just amazing places you can visit. It's certainly breathtaking. So I'm a little bit out of breath. I'm not used to all these hills, because Torquay was built on 7 hills, and it truly is a stunning place. So for views, you cannot beat Cockington and sort of the South Devon area, in my opinion. It really is remarkable for the views. So yeah, we're gonna walk on a little bit further. Hope you're enjoying it, and yeah, just take some of the magnificent sights in. So let's continue going. And just look at this. This is an orchard, an apple orchard, and this is right at the top of one of the hills. And what an amazing sight. So I think I better be heading back to the car, because I should have sort of put some breadcrumbs down like Hansel and Gretel, because one path and one little route leads to another. So we'll head on a little bit back to the car and just see what we can see on the way back. So this is Meadow Farm, and these used to be the stables back in the day where they used to keep the horses. And so this it's not stable anymore, but what a fantastic little setting. And I'd imagine this one here used to be like possibly like a window of some sort, or a sort of hatch where they pass things through. But yeah, all that is like boarded up now, but I'd imagine that would have been like a hatch back in its day. And what fantastic, lovely brickwork. So again, another really lovely setting, another orchard, another apple orchard. And, yeah, it must be great coming out in the mornings, grabbing your coffee and picking your apples in this superb setting. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed, and hit the like button as well if you did enjoy this video. We'll be back in Blackpool later on Saturday for the fireworks event, so that's going to be a fantastic one. So like I said, this little mini series in South Devon is just showing you a little bit of the countryside and what another part of the UK is like if you haven't been to Torquay, Paignton and surrounding areas. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, take care and have a good one. Take care, bye bye.